This week's tech tip of the week has to do with things you can do with your tabs in Google. So a lot of people don't know that if you right-click on a tab, there's a few different things you can do with that tab. The first is you can pin it. Pinning a tab makes it small and moves it into the corner, but it also allows you to not be able to close it. So that way you don't accidentally close the tab. So again, you can right-click on it and unpin it, and it will expand it back as well. So if you've got 4 or 5 websites up that you know you need to use and you don't want to accidentally close them, just right-click it and pin the tab. The second thing is, say I've got a whole bunch of different tabs open and I'm maybe researching, and all of a sudden it's the end of the hour and I don't want to close all those tabs because I need them. I can right-click on the tab and click Bookmark All Tabs. Now what it's going to allow me to do is type in, maybe I'm typing a paper, so I'll put paper work, and I'll hit save. And now what it's going to do is it's going to move that tab, paperwork. You can see I have a lot of bookmarks, and inside that folder is all the tabs that I have open. So again, those are just 2 little known ways that you can right-click and manipulate your tabs in Chrome.